Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Kjötsúpa is more than a meal, it's a taste of Icelandic heritage and home-cooked comfort. Stay tuned for part 2. Imagine stepping inside from a cold, biting wind, the air is crisp and the sky is grey. What could possibly warm you from the inside out and bring instant calm? In Iceland, the answer is simple: kjötsúpa. This traditional lamb soup is more than just a meal, it's a bowl full of history, warmth and sustenance. It's the ultimate Icelandic comfort food. Kjötsúpa, pronounced Kjötsúpa, is a hearty, simple soup, perfect for combating the long, cold climate. Its popularity stems from its use of fresh, local ingredients combined in a way that maximizes flavor and nutrition. Throughout this video, we'll explore the history of this foundational dish, detail the key ingredients that make it unique, and provide an easy guide so you can bring a taste of the North Atlantic to your own table. More than just soup, the cultural role of kjötsúpa in Iceland. Why does this particular soup hold such a central place in Icelandic life? Its importance traces back centuries. Historically, Iceland was a country of limited resources. Every part of an animal had to be used efficiently, a necessity that profoundly shaped the nation's culinary traditions. Kjötsúpa was a smart, effective way to use various cuts of lamb and mutton, combined with root vegetables that stored well through the winter. This practice ensured families received maximum nutrition when food scarcity was a real threat. Today, kjötsúpa is often served at family gatherings and community celebrations. It's an essential part of weekend lunches, representing generations of tradition and hospitality. To share a bowl of this steaming soup is to share warmth, history, and a deep connection to the island's resourceful past. A taste of Icelandic history in a bowl. The soup's simplicity directly ties back to the rugged, resourceful nature of Icelandic cooking. Early settlers and farmers relied on methods that required minimal fuss but provided maximum fuel. The recipe for kjötsúpa has remained largely unchanged for decades, maybe even centuries. When you taste it, you're tasting a true historical dish, a snapshot of how Icelanders have sustained themselves against a sometimes brutal climate. The focus remains on pure, clean flavors derived directly from the quality of the meat and vegetables. The perfect shield against the Nordic chill. Iceland's climate demands food that truly delivers sustained energy. The long, dark winters and often challenging weather call for something substantial. Kjötsúpa, packed with tender lamb, potatoes, carrots, and rutabaga, provides the necessary calories and warmth. It transforms simple, locally sourced ingredients into a warming shield. This isn't just a holiday dish, it's an everyday staple, eaten often because it works so well to nourish the body and soul. Authentic kjötsúpa, finding the best ingredients for the ultimate flavor. Replicating the authentic taste of Icelandic lamb soup at home requires attention to detail, especially regarding the ingredients. The quality of Icelandic lamb is famed worldwide, thanks to the free-range environment the sheep enjoy. They graze on mountain herbs and unspoiled pastures, developing a unique, clean flavor that defines the soup. Choosing the right Icelandic lamb or mutton. Choosing the right cut of meat makes a significant difference in the final product. While younger lamb is tender, many traditional cooks prefer mutton, meat from an older sheep, for kjötsúpa because it yields a richer, deeper flavor. The slow cooking process tenderizes even the toughest cuts. Recommended cuts for kjötsúpa. Lamb or mutton shank. Great for deep flavor and includes bones for stock. Lamb shoulder. Offers a good fat content that keeps the soup moist. Neck or breast. Excellent, inexpensive cuts that become incredibly tender when simmered slowly. Remember, using cuts with bones is crucial, as the bones are key to naturally flavoring the broth. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.